My dear students, now I want to discuss different form of equation of straight line. We have already discussed the equation of line passing through one point and 2 points. Now I want to discuss equation of line in intercept form. AB is line which makes an intercept OQ on x-axis and makes an intercept OB, that is B on y-axis. Let A be a line which cuts off intercept A and B on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Let OR is equal to B and OQ is equal to A. Now from similar triangle QLP and QOR, QL by QO, QL by QO is equal to PL by OR, and it will be QL is equal to A minus X by A, and PL is equal to Y, and OR is equal to this OR is equal to B. So now it will be A minus X by A is equal to Y by B, and it will be 1 minus X by A is equal to Y by B. So after solving we have X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. So hence first is the required equation of line AB. Alternative method. Since slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is b minus 0 by 0 minus a, that is minus b by a. My dear students, if you know the equation of a straight line, if you want to determine the equation of a straight line, you should have two things. One is slope, another is points. So I want to develop this method, develop this concept. That's why I want to solve this problem by alternative method. So slope of this line is minus b by a. Let pxy be arbitrary point on AB. Then equation of line passing through point R, 0b can be written as y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. That is y minus b is equal to minus b by a x minus 0. That is y minus b is equal to minus b into x by a. So it will be ay minus ab minus bx. It will be ay plus bx is equal to ab. So it will be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the required equation of a straight line in intercept form. Now here we want to solve this problem by another method also. Since slope of line AB is equal to minus b by a, the equation of line passing through the point A0 can be written as y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. That is y minus 0 minus b by a x minus a. That is y is equal to minus b by a x plus ab by a. That is ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. So ay plus bx is equal to ab. Dividing both sides by ab, we have y by b plus x by a is equal to 1. So it will be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the required equation of straight line intercept form. My dear student, in this way we can solve this. We can determine the equation of a straight line by different ways. So most popular way is, if we want to find the equation of a straight line, then we should have its slope and a point where the line is passing. Normal form of equation of a line. The equation of the straight line upon which the length of perpendicular from the origin is p, and the normal makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So Let AB be a line and OM be perpendicular from the origin on AB. Let OM is equal to P and angle MOX is equal to alpha. Angle MOX is equal to alpha. Let PXY be any point on line AB. From P we draw PL perpendicular to OX. From P we draw perpendicular. From P we draw PL perpendicular to X. Let line AB cut X and Y axis at Q and R respectively. In right angle triangle PLO, OL is equal to X, PL is equal to Y. Since angle MOQ is equal to alpha, angle MOQ is equal to alpha, therefore angle MQO is equal to 90 minus alpha. And angle LPQ is equal to 90 minus 90 minus alpha, that is alpha. From triangle PLQ, LQ is equal to PL tan alpha. The value of LQ is equal to PL tan alpha, that is Y tan alpha. And OM is equal to OQ cos alpha, that is OL plus LQ cos alpha, is equal to X plus Y cos alpha. So इसलिए therefore X cos alpha plus Y sin alpha is equal to P is the equation of straight line in normal form. So my dear student, this form is very, very important. X cos alpha plus Y sin alpha is equal to P is the equation of straight line in normal form. Now my dear students, now I want to discuss the alternative methods also, because we want to find the equation of straight line by applying slope and point form. So here AB is a line and it intersects x-axis at the point Q and y-axis at the point R and draw perpendicular from P to L. So what do we observe? We observe that here OQ is equal to, in right angle triangle, OMQ, the value of OQ is equal to P sec alpha, and angle ORM, angle ORM is equal to how much? My dear students, this angle MOR is equal to 90 minus alpha, angle OMR is equal to 90, so angle ORM is equal to alpha. So the coordinate of Q is equal to P sec alpha comma 0 and coordinate of R is equal to 0 P cosec alpha. Since points P, the coordinate of P suppose is xy. So coordinate of Q is equal to P sec alpha comma 0 and coordinate of R is equal to 0 P cosec alpha. Since point Pxy, Q P sec alpha 0 and R 0 P cosec alpha are collinear because these 3 points lie on a straight line. Therefore, slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR. Slope of PQ is equal to slope of PQR. Now slope of PQ is equal to how much? 0 minus P cosec alpha. Slope of PQ, 0 minus Y minus 0 you can write, and X minus P sec alpha. The slope of QR is equal to slope of QR, 0 minus P cosec alpha and P sec alpha minus 0, and after simplifying we have Y by X minus P sec alpha divided by minus cosec alpha into sec divided by sec alpha. So minus cos alpha by sin alpha, or Y by X minus P sec alpha is equal to minus cos alpha by sin alpha. It will be minus Y sin alpha into X cos alpha minus P sec alpha into cos alpha. So X cos alpha plus Y sin alpha is equal to P. This is the required equation of line AB. So my dear student, in this way, now we here derived the equation of straight line in different form, and particularly I have already determined the equation of straight line by slope point form also. So by using this property, now I want to solve some important problem of exercise 10.2. Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units, p is equal to 5, and it makes an angle of 30 degree from x-axis. Now we have to find the positive x-axis is 30 degree. Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units, and angle made by the perpendicular with positive axis is 30 degree. Then find the equation of straight line. My dear student, p is equal to 5, NL is equal to 30 degree. Equation of line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. That is x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to 5. That is root 3 by 2x plus half y is equal to 5. That is root 3x plus y is equal to 10. The vertices of triangle PQR are P 2, 1, Q minus 2, 3, and R 4, 5. Find equation of the median through the vertex R. My dear students, here we have RS is the median, and S is the midpoint. So by using midpoint formula, here the coordinate of S will be the average of x coordinate of P and Q and average of y coordinate of P and Q. So it will be 0, 2. Equation of line RS by using y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus 5, 2 minus 5, 0 minus 4, x minus 4. So y minus 5 is equal to minus 3 by minus 4, x minus 4. So my dear students, it will be 4y minus 20 and 3x minus 12. So 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 is the required equation of straight line. So now, question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. My dear student, coordinates of P and Q are given. It will be 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. And coordinate of A is minus 3, 5, and you have to find the equation of AB. As I have told earlier, to get a equation of a straight line, we should have the slope and coordinate of a point. So since PQ and AB are perpendicular, so we know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope is minus 1. So now slope of PQ is equal to 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2, that is 1 by minus 5. Let slope of AB is equal to n. Therefore, m into 1 by minus 5 is equal to minus 1, that is m is equal to 5. Equation of line AB by using y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, that is y minus 5 is equal to m into x plus 3. So y minus 5 is equal to 5 into x plus 3. So it will be y minus 5, 5x plus 15. So required equation is 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line. My dear student, here both lines are perpendicular to each other. So we get the slope of PQ by obtaining the slope of AB, and by section formula we get the coordinates of R in term of n. Since PQ and AB are perpendicular to each other, let slope of line PQ is equal to m. Then m into 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 3m is equal to minus 1. M is equal to minus 1 by 3. Coordinate of r is equal to 1 into 2 plus n into 1 divided by 1 plus n. 1 into 3 plus n into 0 divided by 1 plus n. So n plus 2 by n plus 1, comma 3 by n plus 2. So my dear student, now equation of line PQ by using y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1 is y minus 3 by 1 plus n is equal to minus 1 by 3 x minus n by 2 by n plus 1. And after solving it, we have y into 1 plus n minus 3, 1 plus n. Minus 1 by 3 x into n plus 1 minus n plus 2 n plus 1. So after solving it, we have 3y into 1 plus n minus 9 and x into n plus 1 minus n plus 2. So my dear student, x into n plus 1 plus 3y into n plus 1 is equal to n plus 2 plus 9. So x into n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 into y is equal to n plus 1 is the required equation of straight line. In this way, we can solve the maximum problem, as I think, by using the same concept. So to get a equation of a straight line, we must have a coordinate of point and its slope. So in this way, if we apply this concept, then definitely your solution of problem is different from the book. Thank you very much.